top of the class on the road, hey, and it's time to run it up, yeah, you know, yeah. Mask down, put the pedal to the floor, yeah. On the road, here we go, here we go.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today's video is going to be the first of a multiple part series on the Kucoin trading bots. For this first video, I'm just going to be covering the spot grid trading bot. If you guys saw our last Kucoin series, and I will link it in a card and in the description down below, you guys will know that they have the spot grid trading bots, they have the futures trading bots, they have the smart rebalance portfolio bot, and the DCA bot. But like I said, today we're going to be covering just the regular spot grid trading bot. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of these great tutorials or urgent market updates that we upload to the channel. So without further ado, let's jump into the charts. I'll show you guys how the spot grid trading bot works, and then we'll jump into Kucoin and I will set one up. We'll throw some of my money in and we'll see how it performs. Let's get into it. So here we are on the home page of Kucoin. Now, if you guys want to sign up for Kucoin, there will be a link down in the description and you will get a discount on your fees if you use our link. And it helps the channel out just a little bit. So it's a win-win situation. If you've watched our Kucoin tutorial videos, you will know exactly how to do this, but if you're just tuning into this video, I suggest you go watch those first, but if not, I'll show you real quick how to get to the trading bots. You want to come up to the trade drop down right here, and you're going to want to come down and you'll see trading bot. And you're going to want to click on that, and this will bring you to the Kucoin trading bot homepage. And right here are all the different bots that you can do. Obviously, you have the spot grid bot, the futures bot. If you want a long or short, you get that option and you can actually leverage the position. This is for more advanced traders, right? Then you have the smart rebalance, and this is basically just what it says, an investment portfolio that spreads risk in the long term, right? So this is very interesting. If you guys are interested in checking out a deeper dive into all these different bots, you can check out our original Kucoin trading bot video linked in the card above. Then you have a DCA bot, which is basically self-explanatory, just dollar cost averages into the market for you. And then you have the infinity grid bot, right? Like I said, if you want more details, I will link our last Kucoin trading bot video above where we go in depth into a bunch of these different bots and I show you how they work. But for today's video, we're getting right into it. We are going to actually start one of these bots. I'm going to put some money in and we'll see how much money we make. I'm going to keep making some content based around these trading bots because I think it's just kind of fun. I know a lot of people are curious about these bots, and I know a lot of people aren't willing to risk their own money to find out if they work. So hey, Frankie Candles has got you. Let me lose my money. You keep yours. Like I said, we're gonna do a spot grid bot here. So we're gonna go ahead and click, and you can see this is newbie friendly. So if you are new to these trading bots, I would suggest that you start off with the spot grid bot. Now you're gonna wanna go ahead and click create bot, and you will see this little window pops up. And they have a tutorial button right here. If you want to click this, it will bring you to a separate page that kind of explains how the spot grid bot works. And it shows you kind of a tutorial on how to use it, but you guys got me here, so we don't need that. But it is there. It's nice to see that they are offering help for people who are trying to learn. But you can see we have auto and customize here. So obviously, if you click auto, it will be using the AI settings, just the ones that Kucoin thinks are optimal for the bot. And then if you click customize, you can go in and change all the parameters. And I think we will eventually make a video once I get to test a bunch of different settings and really run these through the paces and see what works and what doesn't. Maybe we'll make another video with custom settings, but for now, we're just gonna go ahead and use the auto settings and see what Kucoin can do. So now, before you get started with a spot grid bot, let me kind of explain how these work. So this is essentially how a spot grid bot works. It will ladder in buy orders on the way down. So you can see, obviously, as price comes down, you'll buy a little bit here. It comes down a little bit more, you'll buy a little bit here, you'll buy a little bit here, you'll buy a little bit here. And then when price reverses and you come up, it will sell a little bit, you come up, it'll sell again and sell again, kind of in a ladder formation. So this works really good in ranging markets. You kind of just need that volatility of price going up and down so the bot can make these little trades and get you a little bit of profit. Now, obviously, if price really tanks, you're basically just gonna be buying a bunch of crypto on the way down. which might not be the worst thing in the world depending on if you like to hodl or not, but not all is lost if you have a big drop, right? So you might drop a lot, it'll buy a bunch of crypto, but as long as you hit a bottom and start to range, you'll start to trade that range and slowly make money over time. And speaking about making money over time, coming back to the settings here on the bot, you'll see the price range. I'm gonna keep this completely stock to what Kucoin suggests. You can see here the price range that it will trade in is between 14,306 and 26,568. I would recommend having somewhat of a large range, but like I said, we're gonna keep this to what Kucoin suggests. Number of placed orders is 100, right? And you can see right here it says profits/grid 0.30% to 0.69%. Now, I know that doesn't seem like a lot of profit, but the whole point of this bot is to just ride the volatility and just make you small profits over a period of time. So you're not gonna wanna put this in and hope for a moonshot trade. With the grid bot, its goal is to make you small profits consistently over time. Obviously, if we have custom settings, but if you lower that number, the space between your ladders, right, or your buy and sell orders is gonna be bigger, requiring a lot more volatility to go and hit those orders. Again, the goal here is to have a lot of laddered orders and buys and sells laddered on top of each other, and then just slowly make the 0.30% profit to 0.69% profit slowly and consistently over time. So then right down here, you have total investment. And now obviously it says right here, a lot of these bots do have minimums. Now the minimum is 50 bucks, which is cool because you don't need that much money to get started. I think a lot of people can cough up 50 bucks to kind of test this out. But for the sake of the video, I'm gonna up the ante a little bit. I'm just gonna 10x this. We'll put 500 bucks in. I have a little bit of money in my trading account that I can spare. So we'll throw 500 bucks in this one. We're gonna go, and now it's this easy, right? I know we just spent some time explaining how this works, but it's really as easy as clicking on spot grid, popping this window up, putting in how much money you want to trade with, and clicking create. Boom, you get an order confirmation. 500 USDT will be transferred from your trading account. Trading pair is BTC USD. You could do this with any coin, and for this video, I'm just gonna stick with Bitcoin, but maybe we'll make a video in the future where we take smaller amounts of money. Maybe we'll take another $500 and we'll put 100 bucks into different altcoins on the spot grid bot. But for now, we're gonna stick with $500 and BTC USD. Obviously the price range, this is just confirming all of the, the parameters that are set. Again, the automatic AI settings that Kucoin suggests, and we're gonna go ahead and click confirm. Now, once it's confirmed, it will bring you to your bot page where you have your running bots, and you can see right here, now the bot is running. Obviously, our P&L is 0 so far because it just started. Now it is running. You can walk away, and this thing is going to, like I said, trade those ranges, but with those laddered buy orders and sell orders, and slowly make us profit consistently over time. Hopefully. Or we'll lose all our money and you guys will get a good laugh at home and I will be out 500 bucks. But hey, at least the CandleMafia is not losing their money. Please let me be your guinea pig. So guys, I think that's all I got for this one. Pretty quick video. Like I said, this is going to be an ongoing series, and I will do some updates right as we make or lose money. I will make some update videos. We could check it on the live stream. Feel free to follow along with whatever amount of money you have if you're willing to try the experiment, or let me be your guinea pig as I said. But hopefully we could check back in on this in a couple of days. Hopefully we'll be in profit. And don't forget, I will be making more of these trading bot videos as time goes on. We'll try out the futures grid bot with a little bit of leverage with the degens out there. And then also, while we're in a bear market, I figured what better time to start testing out the DCA bot and the smart rebalance bot. So keep an eye out for those videos. They will be coming down the pipeline pretty soon. And with all that being said, guys, pray to the crypto gods for me. Please let this bot not lose all my money. I think that's all I got for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Frankie Candles out.